Now with our exclusive with actor William Daniels, a.k.a. Mr. Feeny from Boy Meets World and a star of St. Elsewhere. The 91-year-old stopping a break-in at his L.A. home. Now he's telling us how he did it, and Paula Ferris is here with that story. Morning, Paula.
Good morning to you, Robin. Good morning, everyone. The suspect didn't even make it inside the house. He was apparently scared off when Daniels turned on a house light.
Kit.
Yes, Michael.
Just keep driving.
He was the voice behind Kit, that crime-fighting car voice in Knight Rider.
Hey, Mr. Feeny, what you doing?
And for 7 seasons on the show Boy Meets World, William Daniels played Mr. Feeny, who was always there for his students with a life lesson to save the day.
But to me, a real hero is someone who does the right thing when the right thing isn't the easy thing to do.
Well, Mr. Feeny is still saving the day. The 91-year-old scaring off a burglar trying to break into the San Fernando Valley home he shares with his wife and former St. Elsewhere co-star.
Look cute with a bib, class 2007.
Actress Bonnie Bartlett. The couple, now with a lighthearted take on that close call, spoke exclusively to ABC News overnight.
I struggled with an intruder, took him to the ground. I beat him up, and he ran away with bruises all over him. Would you like to print that? You better not. It's a total lie.
But they weren't laughing just before 9:30 on Saturday night.
We were asleep, and I heard bang, 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 and it was
very noisy.
I lit the light, and Bonnie screamed, and this person fled.
No, I think you scared him away.
Yes, I did.
News of the attempted break-in brought Feeny superfans out in force. He's the hero we all need and deserve, one fan tweeted. And from his former Boy Meets World co-star, Will Friedle, who played Eric Matthews, he tweets, "Don't ever mess with Mr. Feeny." Now, police do not believe that the couple was targeted this morning. The suspect remains unknown. But after the incident, they said they called their son. They made arrangements to get a new alarm system, and then they went back to bed, went back to sleep. But
they sound so adorable. Yeah. The way
they're
they
a
talk
cute
to one
couple.
another. Yeah, they are.
But it's good to see that Mr. Feeny still has the touch.
He's still got it. He's still got it, as do you. All right, Paula, thank
Happy
you very
Halloween.
much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.